Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to pick and gut this American Lock Series 1100 padlock. Show you we got a working padlock here. And I'm going to use top of the keyway tension wrench in 50 thousandths and a short hook in 25 thousandths. It'll click out a 1, click out 2, click out 3, click out 4, click out 5, nothing on 1 or 2, 3, 4. Must have overset something. I let off the tension a little bit. Click on 1, 2, nothing on 3. Click on 4. Click on 5. One and 2 are good. 3's good. And there we go, 4. Now let's gut this thing. I'm gonna turn my headlight up a little bit and see if actually I think that kind of makes it worse. Let's see. Let's try it like this. So I need a Phillips head screwdriver. I'll take out this screw where the shackle slides in. Get our nut, the shield, and there's our core. So let's get our key and turn it back to the home position. And we gotta get this C-clip off. I'm gonna make a tool to do this. If anyone else is interested in one of these sparrows sells one, I'm just gonna use my pick to get it off. There's the C-clip. And now we need a follower, our pin and tweezers. Put our key in, we're going to turn the pins away from the Bible. We're going to press in our follower. And let's get our key out. There's a serrated pin on one. A serrated pin on 2. Serrated pin on 3. Another serrated pin on 4. And I'm betting we got a serrated pin on 5. Usually these 1100s do. Yep. Alright. Up a little closer. Got a spool on one. Bring out. Serrated on two. And spool on three. Come on out. There we go. Spool on four. Rated on five. I can get close up here. Let's put it back together. I think focus is good enough. Okay. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put these in. Make sure I got it turned right. This little lip is toward the front. Springs are probably wore out because I've picked this thing half a dozen times tonight and just kept having camera trouble. And I think the springs are that good in these anyway. But as far as if you're picking, I've wore out a couple of them. Okay, now let's put our key pins in. And when we put our key in, we're going to make sure they're all at the shear line. And they are. Now, I want to get that turned. Put it in that position. And you gotta make sure you're holding the face when you pull the key out, or you'll mess your springs up. Put our C-clip on there. I'm just going to double check that it works. And then get in here. When a C-clip is on there, you can pull the key out without having to hold it. Get our face and our nut back on there. Get our screw. Screw it back together. We're going to triple check that it works. And there we go. Please remember to like or dislike. And if you like this content and want to see more, please subscribe. I do quite a bit more than just lock picking. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.